Hello
Asher.
guys, what's up? I have my cousin here with me. Her name is Atikara. She also has her own YouTube channel. Welcome to my vlog. So for this day, this will be one of my longest videos, which is 1 hour, and sometimes it will be a bit laggy because we're doing a call while the timer is running, while the screen recorder is running, and I'm calling Atikara and the game. So this will take a lot of my battery. So I hope you enjoy my effort, guys. So let's get into it. Okay, guys, so now we're here. So today we will be busting some myths, a face reveal of my cousin, and and then playing School Party stuff. So for the last 20 minutes in this video, we will be doing some face reveals and talk to each other about anything we want to talk about. And then for this and for the past 40 minutes, we just yeah. So the timer. So I'll set the timer, guys. So I'll cut this for. Okay, guys. So now the timer is running. So let's go. Now I'm gonna make sure my cousin is here. Atikara, are you there? Okay, Atikara is definitely not. Atikara, are you even there? Atikara?
Probably sure you cannot hear me.
Yep. Okay, so at least now I could hear you.
Asher, kung ibig sabihin kung di mo ko narinig, ibig sabihin di mo ko narinig. Just tell it to me. I know what to do.
Okay. So now, let us go. So I'm gonna be talking about few things right now. I have so much errand.
I want a car.
Yeah, then why don't you get one, Sarah?
I don't want to.
You're okay. So we have a timer. It's 1 hour for the last 20 minutes again. We are gonna be doing some face reveals, and for now we'll be busting some myths. There are 10 myths that we will try to bust. There are 10 myths that we will try to bust. So number one. So myth number one: you can ride a bike while swimming. Really?
Okay,
Wait.
let's see.
Like when a bike? Okay.
Asher,
guess
stop. Can you hear me or not?
I can still hear you.
No, them. They can. Can they hear me or not?
They can hear you.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's see.
at least only your voice. You already got your voice reveal, but face reveal later.
Yeah. At least they
Okay.
got my voice reveal.
Yeah. Now they know how you sound like. You're like talking with Tipon.
I'm jumping, wading to the beach.
Yeah, I'm jumping with my bike to the beach because it takes so long. The cars are
I
really
just saw
fast.
my uncycle.
Cars are so faster. Okay, so let's see. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see if myth number one works. And yes, it is myth number one.
It works. Yeah, it works. Actually, so it works. I've been trying this a lot of times. Actually, I didn't know, so I just teach him that you can also ride anything but except for the car on the beach. Except from the car. Any
Yeah.
like motorcycle or bikes, bicycle kid or any cycle or anything like a skateboard, anything. So,
Yeah.
but except for the car.
Yeah. OMG.
Okay.
So I'm gonna rate this one. So this is myth confirmed. Myth confirmed means the myth works, and if it's myth busted, it does not work. Okay. So our second myth. Wait, I have ads. So the second myth says when you ride the car, if you want to ride the car in the beach, you have to put it backwards. Really? That will work? Let's see.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Put backward. Put it backward, Asher.
Yeah. Like if you ride the car backwards in the beach and then you put it in the water, you will.
Okay, so let's see.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's
I'm
see.
gonna try it right now.
Okay, so I'll just steal a
Wait.
car. I'll just steal a car from the parking.
Yeah, I also just feel.
Just get the ones in the parking of the beach.
Wait, it's stuck from the leaf. Actually, oh, it works,
Wait,
but
let me
not
see.
really underground. You
What?
have to put it backward. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's true, but
Okay.
you cannot put it under down water. It's just on the top, like floating.
Yeah, but if you do like if you like if you go like but if you don't go back if you don't drive backward you will teleport to the sand.
Yeah, you will teleport off the
Yeah, you have
sand
to do
of
it. You have to do it back.
every single one.
Yeah, you have to
So
do it
if
at back.
you go backward at the beach and you press the forward, it will return back to the beach. So
Yeah.
third minute. Where
Okay,
do you?
so second myth confirmed. So it's Atikara's turn to have a myth. Go Atikara.
So the third myth is. Wait a minute. I'm gonna think. You can teleport at school party craft anywhere.
With what? With what?
Using just tap the call and then use the you can see a teleport and
Yeah,
then tap it and then tap anything like a cafe if you see the cafe house, tap it and then you'll be teleported right away.
Yeah, but you will spawn in a random place of the place there, right? So let's
So
see. So I actually knew this myth a lot of times already. I knew it since
I
like
should
I was
just
playing
teach
full
you
party.
that.
Yeah.
Sure, wait lang.
So I'm gonna
Let's just alternate. Next is you and then me. The
yeah.
bit.
So I
Okay,
know
so I'm just
so I already know this myth. So now, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So first, go to that blue call button, then you will see, then go to the maps, and then you will see some red circles, and then with some needles, and then some needles. It shows you the whole map of the school party craft or Candyland town. So click wherever you are. So I'm going to the park. This is the park, guys.
me from going
Yep,
to the
and
park.
then
Oh, it works.
okay, so myth confirmed. All myths are confirmed. So nice. School party craft.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah, wait, I'm in an ad.
I'm done in the ad.
Okay, I failed. I'm bad at tic-tac-toe. Finally, I'm back to school party craft. At least I get my bonus. Okay, so now let's continue. So then, what is the next myth? So
Your
I have
turn,
another.
please.
The myth is you will glitch, you could glitch out of the map.
What's glitch? Oh yeah, you can glitch.
Yeah, glitch out of the map. Let's see if it really works. I actually don't know. I just saw this from another YouTuber. So I'll go to the Elite Mansion and go to the very end. So let me see if I could glitch out. Let's see. I'm trying as hard as I can to run. So I'm gonna tell this myth busted. It doesn't work, guys.
Yeah,
I
so
can't.
it's
Myth busted.
busted.
Yeah.
So this is my next one. So the
Yep,
next
tell
one
it.
is I already think another one. You can climb to the roof. You can climb to the rooftop of the disco without but the disco has no stair, but you can climb up to the rooftop.
Oh
Let's see,
yeah,
is it true?
I know that one. Let's see if that myth
Let's
is
see if it's true.
yeah.
So I will teach you how.
I'm just gonna use the car. I'm tired of walking. I'm very slow.
Okay, so I'm already at the top of the disco. Let's see. I'm trying to work it, and actually it works.
Okay,
I
let
keep at the
So
top of the
okay,
hill.
guys, to prove yeah, to prove the myth is true, I will show it to you guys. So first, you go to the leaves, then jump on those pillars. It's actually kind of hard. It's a hard parkour. So make sure not to fall off or you lose all your progress. So once you get on the roof, yep, myth confirmed. So far, we only have one myth that was busted.
Mine is myth. I mean, correct.
Yeah, myth. Yeah, myth.
But the truth is, it works. Yeah,
Yeah,
sometimes you can also climb in the disco.
yeah.
Actually, I learned that for myself because I really want to climb the disco, and I tried to climb up on the wall, on like that, because stairs. But and I tried, and I actually was so surprised that I climbed at the rooftop of the disco.
Yeah, myth confirmed. So the next myth is you could actually climb, the home sign. The home sign. Like when you enter it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like when you enter it, like when you see that, balcony like thingy. Let's see if that myth will work. Let's go. I'm just gonna drive super fast.
I'm just gonna go for it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm so lazy to teleport, so I just use car. Let's see if this myth is gonna work. So it's not the one with the home sign, but the one with no home sign, and it actually works, guys. But if you fall off, I'm so sad because you made it that far, then you will just lose your progress. Okay, so I'm gonna make this myth. Yeah, myth confirmed. Okay,
Okay, so it's my turn. Do you know one time I've tried this challenge? You have to climb in the blocks, and I have climbed in the blocks until at the front of the beach. You know the blocks, yung mga hams? I mean, not that. Yung nakikita yung mga walls.
yes.
May mga square. You have to cross that until you went to the front of the beach. Let's see. It's okay even if you fall down or if you fall on the bricks, because that's also my suggestion. I always fall down. You just need to climb up. So let's see if the wall is until at the beach. So let's see, Asher.
Yeah, that will be so hard. This will be so hard. And I don't even get what you mean, Ate Kiara. I don't get what you mean. What do you even mean, Ate Kiara? Ate Kiara, I can't hear you. Ate Kiara, I can't hear you. Here it goes again.
Can you hear me now?
Oh
Okay.
no, I'm down!
I don't know.
Kaya mo yan! Asa ka?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. How do you do that? Can you give me some guide?
Okay. So,
Okay.
bricks. No? Okay, fine. I'm just gonna take another one.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So is it okay if I take a bit long time to think, because I don't really want to think of another myth.
Okay.
So wait.
So if you're gonna say a myth, that will be myth number 7.
Sige, pag nag-push sa'yo ang pulse mo.
I'm gonna
isa.
find the myth. Can I search?
Why don't you search in Google? You say myth to try in school party craft. Go.
Okay.
Hirap pa
Yeah, search
tamahin.
in Google.
Doon na rin isa.
Alpha, nandito ako ah. Uy, dito ako.
Myth. Myth at school party.
Yeah, let me search in Google also.
Wait, Asher, wait. Can I ano sa search ko? Myth what?
Myths in school party craft to try.
Myth in school party craft.
Yeah, also me. I'll try to search.
Party craft. try. So let's search if it's true. Gonna find one. So wait, it's loading. So here.
Wait, let me see.
So wait. Try 3 myths in school party craft. Okay.
Yeah, wait, I'll watch this. I'll watch this.
Hmm.
इन पार्टी क्राफ्ट पहला है
He cringe.
अगर हम मतलब मैं आपको उस जब प्लेस पे जाके बताऊंगा तो यस अगर हम अपने एलाइट मेंशन के पीछे जाने के बाद खुद जाएंगे तो हम नहीं जा सकते वही
I
snowball जा
don't
सकती है।
understand what he's
इसको try
saying.
करके देख
Okay. I can't find anything. So playing in school party craft. Let's see. Try 3 myths in school party craft. Let's find.
You won't try. Yeah. Oh, I know. I watched that before. It doesn't work. So we already learned that.
Spam.
Hey, Aditya, I have a myth. I have a myth. Aditya, I have a myth. Yeah.
This is not a myth, okay? It's another myth. Asher, can you give the myth to me so I can say it?
Okay, so the myth is you could take photos of yourself.
Oh yeah, I can take one of yourself. So let's try.
Let's see. But my meaning is will it send in the real messenger?
Let's see if it
Let's
will
see.
send.
I'll check my messenger. Let's see.
Asher, I have a myth.
Ate Kiara, Ate Kiara, I don't see any of my pictures that I photoed in school party craft. So this myth
So it's
busted.
busted.
Yep.
Okay, so my myth is okay. My myth.
Three more
You
myths.
can earn friends by just you can earn a lot of friends by just tapping their names and then by just tapping their names. You understand, Asher?
I don't understand what you mean.
You can earn marami ka makakaroon ng you can have a lot of friends by just tapping their name. Diba? Pinipindot mo lang name nila tapos makakaano ka. Right?
Yeah, let's see. Let's see, guys, if this is myth 8.
Okay, so wait. There's
It worked. Myth confirmed.
yes, it works. So,
Yeah.
Asher's
Okay.
next.
So next, if you jump off the cafe, you will die.
Okay, let's see. So wait,
Yeah.
Asher, wait for me. I'm
Yeah, I'm gonna
tired
fly.
to walk.
Yeah, let's see if this is. If you find,
There's an ad again.
but it only happens sometimes now. So I hope we get lucky if it happens. For armor, so we could show
Okay,
it to
Asher,
the
wait
other.
for me.
Yeah, I'm about to jump. So
Wait,
I'll wait.
Asher.
Yeah, and tell me when you're there so we can jump both, and maybe I could see you. Let's go. Ate Kara, are you there?
Sorry, Asher, but you're not here. You're not here.
It's okay.
Okay,
Now,
so I'm here at the
okay, so let's
so
jump
what?
in.
So I'm here at the top.
Jump in
1, 2, 3.
Go! Yay! I did not die. So,
Bye. So
myth
it's
busted.
busted. Okay,
yeah,
so my myth is, if you play an emoji game with your friends, you will earn a coin.
yeah. Let's see. I think. Yeah, let's go. I'll chat her.
I'm gonna think any of my friends, even they're not my friends. So I'm here
Yeah.
at the park meeting some friends.
Yeah,
Ooh, this
I'm gonna
girl.
chat with I'm gonna chat with my girlfriend Kitty.
So here,
Yeah, emoji
and
game.
tap their name, and
Yeah,
then
let's go.
you will see a tap their name, and then you will see a add contact, chat, go a walk, and or an emoji game. If
Oh,
you
yeah.
press just now, you have just to press the emoji game, and then it will send you. Now, if it said play, you will play it. So,
Yeah, then
emoji
and then
game.
if you manage to get to win in the end, you will get I think you will get some coins. So let's see if
Yeah.
let's see if this myth works, right, Ate Kara?
Yeah, it
If
works.
if it
But
works,
if you did not get it, it's busted.
yeah, if you like skip anything. So let me see if it works in my tablet also.
So let's try it. So by the way, I'm already playing it so long. So I just realized this, but let's see if it's true.
Yeah, let's see. So
So
it's
if
almost
you know Minecraft, try to do this.
19 minutes before the face reveal, guys.
What?
19 minutes before the face reveal.
Oh.
It's okay. Oh, and we almost got hit. Okay, I'm almost at the finish line. 3, 2, 1, I'll drop go to the finish. And yes, I got, and Ate Kiara, I got coins. This myth is confirmed. Myth
Wait for
confirmed.
me, Asher. I'm not yet done.
Okay,
Not yet
I'll wait.
done.
Okay, I'll wait.
So mine is okay. I got. So let's see. Oh yeah, I got coins, and then that is plus 10.
Okay, so even though it only gives you a little bit of points, I will still include this as myth confirmed.
Yes.
And you can get coins for free.
Yeah, you can get coins even there's anywhere. Even you want to go to the ATM, press the ATM, you can get some 120 plus. And then if you bet ad, do not exist it because you're gonna get some coins, right?
Yeah. Okay, Squid Party Craft is the best, guys.
Yeah.
There's
The
an
more
ad.
best game that I have ever had.
Yeah. Wait, I have an ad.
At least though, I know that you already know my voice reveal, but later we will see my face reveal.
Yeah.
Actually, I have a new myth. No, sorry, nothing. I'm still thinking. I think so. What is the next myth?
Yeah.
What is
I
the
got
next myth?
I got into an ad. So this is the final myth. But we will have some. But after this we'll have an extra myth for you guys. So this is the 10th. So this is our last myth.
Actually, stop. Before you introduce the last myth, after we and the last myth, let's ask them if they know School Party Craft or if they like School Party Craft. Right?
Yeah, why don't we ask them? And guys, answer in the comments.
Yeah, answer in the comments.
Okay, so the last myth is if you jump you're higher than the car. Let's see.
Let's see if you jump higher in the car. So, okay, anything, anywhere, Asher, any,
any car. Let's see. If the car is moving, let's see how higher we are.
Okay.
And this is myth confirmed. We are higher.
Yeah. We are higher.
Okay, so we will think of an extra myth. For now, we will, just chill out. Then while we are thinking for our extra myth.
Yeah, so okay, so I'm just gonna ask you guys if you like school party craft or not. If you know this, if they know this, and if you watch, just try to download it.
Yeah, if you like it. Oh yeah, I forgot. No one can comment. My comments are disabled, so no one will hack their devices. So if you like Full Party Craft, then just download it, guys. You can't just leave your dream alone, right?
You can earn a lot of friends. It's much more fun. There's nothing creepy about that. So it's really a fun game. It's really a fun game. You can swim, you can shop, you can buy some guns, anything. If your cars are out, you can do anything what you want.
Yeah, but the gun you will buy is a paint gun. It's a paint gun, guys. A paint gun is like, when you shoot like, color balls. Color balls. Search in Google what are color balls. They make they make your body colored. So it's not really that violent. So that's what School Party Craft is all about. I'm sure your mom will allow you to play that, right?
Yeah, she will allow it.
I know.
If they allow you guys, make sure to ask permission first if you wanna download something.
Yeah. Because you can't keep anything a secret. That means you are in the devil's side.
Yeah, it means example you download School Party Craft, but your mom said do not download it. Do not download it because maybe your mom just don't want to download it because maybe she thought there's a lot of like she don't want to download it because maybe your iPad will have, for example, you have a lot of games already and you wanna really download School Party Craft, but you also really like your games. You asked to. But you didn't tell to your mom because you know that it's already full storage and that's enough. So please ask permission first, and if you don't want any games, just deleted it so you can download. Yeah.
Yeah, and if your mom doesn't allow you, it's okay. You can try some more games.
Yeah, there's a lot of games in the App Store. Oh yeah, guys, try also PTXD. You can find a lot of adventures. That's are my favorite.
Yeah, but guys, do not download Roblox. Do not download Roblox. We don't play Roblox. Yeah, Roblox has some bad content like Jenna the Killer, Elsa the Killer. Don't play them. Your mom will get mad at you because it's really violent. We care about children like you.
Yeah, so I know, but do you know, Asher?
Yeah.
My classmates play Roblox.
But
A lot of them play Roblox.
Yeah, it's their choice, Epic Terror. It's okay, but you should not play it because it's
Their
violent.
choice.
Yep, it's their
Yeah,
choice.
you should not play that. Don't ever play that, guys. Because if your mom see it, maybe you can get grounded or no iPad for the rest of the time.
Yeah. Okay, I never got grounded.
So that
before.
is very dangerous.
Okay. So now, guys.
You can learn
So-
that attitude.
So okay, next, I'm thinking of a next myth. So for now, we will just party in the disco.
So now I'm just in the market. Means this is my house. I made it as my house.
What? Where are you sleeping? Where are you gonna sleep?
Ah,
There are some people here. Aren't? If it's your house, no one should be here. It should be your private time. Ate Kiara, I'm robbing your house and I can't hear you again. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yep, I can hear you now. I'm about to rub your food. I'm about to rub your
No.
food. I will rub your food.
Or else I'm gonna get angry at you. Okay,
I'm-
Asher, so by the way guys, this is try also Snake EO. Asher also like that, right? Asher Snake EO. But I never
Snake
ever
EO.
played that. I mean, Snake EO, but I've never ever played that because I'm not really interested from that game.
Yeah,
It's a
but
bit,
Snake EO is good. So guys, Snake EO is a game which you could play some events, unlock some cute skins. People, most of the ratings of people in Snake EO, they always say it's a 5-star rating. I commented it and I had a 5-star rating. So guys, make sure to check it out. If you're not interested, then it's okay. But if you're interested, it's your choice, guys. So we would just like to introduce this game. But our video is focused on School Party Craft, not Snake EO. You can check my other videos with Snake EO, but in this video we're focused with School Party Craft. Okay, Ate Kiara. Okay, Ate Kiara, 9 minutes.
except from School Party Craft, I also love PKXD. So I think I should not really know that, but it's super cool. So you can unlock some hairs, but the problem is you cannot buy some cool hairs because you have to pay in real life. So by the way, in PKXD, that you can unlock fun adventures, and when you open it, you already have a lot of coins, and then sometimes some of them you can you can buy it in PKXD by using your coins, but some of them you have to pay it in real life. So check it first. If your mom allows you to buy it, then buy it, but never ever buy it if it's really expensive. So by the way, this is all the fact of PKXD. So PKXD can enter a lot. Like PKXD has an event of Miraculous. Now it became pets. Pet event. So there's also there's a tower, but you can go in there and you can see a top of a party when you come there, and top a party, and if you wanna go to any party, choose them, and you can also earn a lot of friends also there, and then some of them will ask you, hi, do you want to be my friend? And if you like her, you can accept it, but if you're not really interested, it's okay. But do you know when I was a child, I
Ate
thought that
Kiara,
was Roblox, but it was PKXD. Yes?
when 7 minutes before your face reveal.
Okay, so let me just finish this.
Okay, then we could do face reveal, I think.
Yeah. So, by the way, PKXD has a lot of fun adventures. You can explore, and also there are cars. You can rent them. You can try them. You can rent them. And you mean rent them? Just rent it, and then but it's not gonna stay too long to it. But if you wanna buy it, it means you have to buy it in real life. So don't ever do that because they are so expensive. So by the way, PKXD also has some cars, and then I try one of them, and then they are so cool. And then if you see, and if I see a people who's riding a car, I keep chasing them because you can also ride with them. Yeah, you know, I didn't choose a seat, but they keep running away from me. I keep running, but I'm a slow runner at PKXD, so I cannot catch them up.
Hey, Alika, do you
If
want to be
I have no choice, I have no.
But
What?
do you want to be friends in XB?
PKXD?
Yeah.
We can be friends if we meet.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Ara. Write your nickname.
Ara. My nickname is Ash. ASH.
Okay, then write it.
Okay.
Try
Okay.
PKXD, guys. It so have a lot of fun adventures. You can.
Yeah. And maybe you could meet your And if you want, you could, tell your friends to download it,
Yeah.
so you could be both friends. I'm gonna download it, so so I could be friends with Ate Kiara. So
I'm
check on.
sorry if Asher, I'm sorry if we do not met, but trust me, actually, even we don't met, it's really a fun activities. And you can, the tower has also a slide, so you can slide. Or these are really friends. You Spider-Man. What are you doing?
Okay,
That is an ad.
Okay, guys. So is that
Okay.
all you? So is
So
that
we're
all
back.
you want to say?
I have more a bit, so this is my last say.
We still have to do.
Always ask permission, and then if you really want to jump PXB, you'll see a lot of houses, and you can also, of course, you can also enter their houses if allowed to, if you want, because some of them you may not like it because there are so full decoration, decoration. So that's all that what am I gonna say. You can also play a lot of games there. So that's
Okay.
all.
Okay, so our so this is our extra myth. So when you go to the modern apartment, then go upstairs of the modern apartment. Then you go to the like bird door. Then you will see the balcony. Jump to the wood. Then jump to the roof of it. Then let's see if you could jump to the roof of the modern apartment. If this works, it means it's misconfirmed. Okay, guys. So this is myth. So this is misconfirmed. That's for the extra myth. So we have 4 minutes until the face reveal.
For my face reveal? Already?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go now.
What? You gonna go?
You said face reveal. No, I'm gonna show myself.
No, not yet. 3 minutes. Okay, so for the yeah. So for the remaining 3 minutes, I will be giving you some tips in school party class. So
Yeah, okay.
there are 5 tips in school party class. So number 1 tip, don't block cars when they're driving, or else they will hit you and you will drop some of your coins and people will get it.
What? I don't understand.
So you cannot don't block cars, or because they will bump into you, then you will lose some of your coins.
Yeah. So, no, my second is, this is mine. Do not open the treasures if you're in public outside, because the people may see it and they will steal all of it, and you cannot get anything of it, even
Yeah.
the real one.
If
Now,
there is only a few people, then you could get it. And then
especially, and if you can only if you see on the rooftop, or of the rooftop, you can open it, because other people do not really get at the rooftop, right, Asher?
yep.
Yeah. So that's all.
Okay, so this is tip number 3. So always don't spend always you can always collect money by cleaning garbage, finding pests, and then in the terminal, the terminal, this is the terminal, guys. This one here in the camera, this one here, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, and then you could also get from barman, and then lastly you could get it, and you could get some coins, but when you shoot guns, when you shoot paintballs to people.
The dragonfly.
Yeah, hey, little dragonfly. Okay, so guys, and then unlock some premium thing. Hey, and Ate Kiara,
Yes.
did you know I bought all dogs and cats? I bought all of the cats and dogs.
Okay.
I bought everything, every cat and dog stay safe.
Okay, so me, I have some dog and cat, but I don't usually use them because I don't really like them, you know.
Okay, guys, time for the face reveal. So for now on, we will not play school party craft. We will talk about things. Okay, guys, like you know what we want to do. So the face reveal will be in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ate Clara, show your face. So this is my cousin's beautiful face. Now look at her. Yeah, so you already know her voice, but now you know her face. Show your body. Show your body. Show your body. Yeah, that's her body. She's really pretty. Okay, so now we will be talking about things like our birthdays, our future, our past, things that we did. Yeah, so for me, 10 minutes of talking, and for you, 10 minutes of talking, because 20 minutes split into 10. So you could go first. Once the timer hits 10 o'clock, it's my turn.
Okay.
Yeah.
10 o'clock or 9 o'clock?
I mean 10 when the timer hits 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's
So,
go.
what am I gonna say again?
Our future, our past, what we want to do, playing, Wait, I have to delete. Wait,
Okay.
wait, okay.
Okay. Can I go now?
Okay, go.
Okay. So, I really, Asher is my, we always call, but we always call, but when it comes to lesson, to school, since me, I'm already whole day and I don't have to call Asher, we don't really call usually at Friday, but Monday. But sometimes I keep calling, but Asher do not answer because sometimes he messages. Sometimes he said he's busy like that. So I appreciate it anyway. But I'm 9 years old. I love to listen to music. I love to dance. I love to. I'm scared of animals. All of it.
But you're an animal. Humans are mammals. So which means you're an animal. So
Okay.
aren't you scared of yourself? Alec was so scared he would freak out.
Okay. So my favorite hero is Supergirl. Supergirl. And my favorite princess is Belle. Like, what am I wearing anyway? Princess Belle there. So, I have a sister. I have a baby sister. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hey Alec, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I've been after 5 I on when the timer hits 15 minutes, it's my turn to talk because because we will use the 10 minutes of telling secrets about each other. So it's not a secret anymore.
I
You
don't have a secret.
You could tell secrets about me. You could tell secrets about me. You could tell secrets about you. I could tell secrets
What
about
typical
you.
jokes? Jokes.
Yeah, jokes and a little bit of secrets.
Yeah, okay, so let's continue. My favorite color is color pink. Like, I have a So I really like to go somewhere. I really like swimming, especially if we're meeting all of our cousins. As like example, we're gonna have a play date. I'm really very very excited. Like we're gonna meet each other. We have a schedule, and I'm really very excited. But sometimes I can't even sleep, especially if my birthday. If it turns to my birthday, I can't sleep at night before my birthday because I'm way too excited. Because if I'm really excited, I can't really sleep. So I wake up at, well, if I have school, I wake up at 6 or 6:30 a.m.
Me,
and then I eat.
me, I have to wake up at 5:30.
Wow, that's early. So
I know.
me, I wake up 6:30 or 6, or even the breakfast is ready. They're gonna wake me up, and then I'm gonna eat breakfast, and then I'm not gonna take a bath. I'm just gonna lamos.
Yeah,
No, because this is the reason why.
me, I take
The
me,
reason.
me, I take a bath after I take a breakfast. Then I will brush my teeth. Then while waiting for my mom to be
Stop.
done,
Do you know why I don't take a bath?
I will watch TV. Then I go to school, and then we almost get to car accident sometimes.
Okay, so this is mine. This is the reason why I don't take a bath in the morning. I have allergy of sipon. If I touch water at the morning, if I touch cold water at the morning, I will get sipon. I mean runny nose, especially for leaving. I mean leaving. I have an allergy, so I
Yeah.
don't take a bath.
So it's my
I take
turn.
a bath if we go home.
Yeah. So it's my turn. So
Okay,
my
that's it.
favorite color is blue. My favorite, and I am grade 3, and my name is Asher Kid Parmisano Villanueva. My full name.
Okay, so this is my full name, Carolson G. Montenegro. I have to say, and that I'm grade 4.
Yeah.
Grade 4.
She is 1 year older than me.
Yeah.
I am 8. She is 9.
Yeah, I'm 8. I mean, he's 8 and I'm 9.
Yep. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this discussion. We still have 14 minutes to be with each other. This is one of my longest videos.
Asher, by the way, stop.
Yeah.
Happy birthday! It's your birthday yesterday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Okay, then you can continue. Sorry. Go now.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So I am thankful for my life. I love my life. I have my cousins. I have my titas and titos. I have my family. And I'm just grateful for what I have. And I have a house. And I have my beautiful cousin Kiara. Let me squeeze you.
You can't squeeze me.
Yes, I
I
can
can.
squeeze you. Ate Kiara, do you know this trick? Like when you put it here, then you put your hand there, like so you think I'm beside you. Go. Ready, set, go.
What?
You know, like put your hand like that. So you will think. So they will think So I could grab you. Oh no,
Okay.
Ate Kiara! Yes, get you, get you, get you. Oh no, Ate Kiara's too far away.
Yeah, I can take you. I
You're
can reach you.
You're trying to get me? No! Don't get me, I'll get you. Okay, enough jokes. Don't joke. Don't joke. Later's the joke time.
Okay. So, by the way, before we start go, I'm gonna show you a dance, which is nakakalito siya. But Asher will also do this. So I know it already, even if nakakalito, because I memorize it. So this one, body rock. Like this.
Oh yeah, I know that. Adikara, 2 minutes, then it's joke time.
Okay. What? Do you know that dance?
Yep, I know that dance. So I hope you're enjoying it. This is so if you're gonna watch this video, it will take very long. You might have to skip. You might have to pause some parts because like when your mom calls you for breakfast.
Yeah, it's a bit
Yeah, like when
really
you
long.
have. Yeah, so if you're gonna watch this very long video, like our 1 hour video with my friend, my cousin Atiara, you might have to pause some parts.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so guys, you have to watch it when you're not doing anything
Yeah.
anymore.
Okay, it's almost joke time. It's joke time in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Joke time. So this is actually this is live. This is live. Okay, so now let's so let me tell. So 5 minutes of jokes and 5 minutes of secrets. So 5 minutes for jokes. Jokes. Hey, what do you call a three? Wait, me first. What do you call a three-humped camel? Pregnant.
Okay, so I have a joke. Why did the chicken go to KFC?
Cause he wanted some chicken.
His family. To see his family. To see his family.
Why did the duck take a bath in the shower? You know why?
Why?
He wanted to try something else.
Why did the bee went to the jolly?
I don't know.
The restaurant called Jolly Bee. Now you add that. Bee, Jolly Bee.
It's funny how the way you talk. Okay, so next, my joke is why did I call on Thursday? Why did I call you on Wednesday?
What?
Why did I call you on Wednesday? You know why?
Why?
Because I wanted to see if you're pregnant.
Okay, my joke. Wait, I'm gonna think a joke. Why did the fish go to the office?
I don't know.
Because the fish want to see his parents, right?
I cannot stop laughing.
Okay, your turn. Joke time.
Why did I go to the supermarket?
Why? I don't know.
Because I wanted to dance so everybody will love me.
Okay, so my turn. Okay. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Ash.
Why?
Ach.
Yeah. And then why did you why did why did I go why did I go on the why did I sneak why did I go to Kidzuna without my mom knowing? You know why?
Why?
I didn't know 2 plus 2.
Turn on your camera. Okay, so my turn. So my joke is why do chicken nuggets go to the McDonald's?
They want to see their mom, right?
So the waiter can cook the chicken nuggets and the people will eat it.
Why were the chicken afraid of McDonald's?
Why?
They
Because they're tall.
they saw they saw their friend being cooked.
Okay, my turn. Why did I go to the mall without permission?
I don't know.
Why did I go? Okay, so I can see the whole mall even at the roof. I'm there.
You know why I never went outside of my life?
Why?
I never went to any places, not even one single place. You know why?
Why?
cause I want always lockdown. I can always watch TV. I can always do my tablet. I can always call you. You could just always come to me.
Okay, this one. Why do I why do I like to why do why wait, I have to think. Why is the cat scared to the slide?
He will fall.
No, because the cat see her best friend sliding and falling down while standing up.
Why did my boss why did my boss go away from me like the basketball?
Okay, why?
Because they wanted to see my balls.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So in 15 seconds we will be telling about secrets.
Okay, so this is my last. This is my joke. Why did I sit down on the ball?
You wanted to deflate it.
No, because I wanted to sit because I don't have a chair, so I'll sit on the ball and I'm also gonna lay down on the ball.
What? Okay, so it's secrets time. So
Okay.
I have a secret. Ate Kiara's always afraid to jump in the pool, guys. Last time we jumped in the pool together, she was like, "Wah! Lola, mommy, please, Tita Jen.
Okay. Do you know, guys? Asher was so sad when I jump on the, when after we jumped together on the pool. You're sad that I keep talking to you and you keep so sad.
Yeah. Hey, I have a secret about Kiara. She's sometimes shy.
Oh yeah, that's true. I'm really a shy girl.
Party time.
I have a secret.
Yes, what is it? Tell me your secrets. All the secrets you have.
Stop. I have a secret from Asher.
Oh, do you have a crush on me?
I'm gonna think a secret. Oh wait. Okay, you go next. I don't have a secret from you. I'm still thinking.
Yeah, I think I have another secret. Ate Kiara, I think Ate Kiara has a crush on someone. But I don't know. But I know.
I don't have.
Yes, I
I
think
don't
you do.
have. I'm telling you.
You told me
I
last time you visited me. You told me you have a crush.
I don't have. I didn't say
You said.
anything.
I think you said Jason. Was it Jason?
I don't know even Jason. You're lying. You're lying.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. That was a fake secret. Next. What about you, Anika? Do you have any secrets?
Yeah, I have a secret from you. Get ready for your secret.
Is it a harsh one?
No, this is not really embarrassing. It's just a normal one. Do you know, Asher always reminds me that I should bring Owly when we meet.
No, that's so embarrassing.
You always remind me, Ate Kiara, reminder, Ate Kiara, please bring Owly when we meet.
Yeah, that's true, guys. Ate Kiara, 1 minute only, 2 minutes, then we will end the call.
No.
You want extra 20 minutes. Extra 20 minutes.
Yes, please.
Okay, so my secret is, so this is my secret about myself. I knew this since I was kindergarten. I kissed a boy. Just kidding, I kissed a girl. I kissed a girl in the cheeks
When?
when I was
When you kissed
kindergarten.
what?
When I was
Who did you kiss
kindergarten,
the girl? Why
I
did you
was.
kiss the girl? Do you have even?
We had crush on each other.
Hey, you're still a kid. You're still kinder. Why did you just kiss the girl?
I kissed the girl in the cheeks. I'm glad no one saw that except for the two of us.
Is that in private or in public?
Private.
Where were you guys in? Where were you guys?
We were washing our hands for lunch.
What?
We were washing our hands for lunch.
Is it you?
Yeah?
What? Can you tell it again?
What?
Can you tell it again?
No, I'm too shy now.
Okay, just okay, you tell that and I keep laughing. You both guys are washing hands in the bathroom? In the bathroom?
Yep.
And then why did you just even kiss the girl on the cheeks?
Wait, I'm gonna dismiss. Okay, so the 1 hour is done, so I'll give you some extra 30 minutes.
Yay!
Okay, let me set the timer first. No hours. 30. Okay. Okay, at Kiara.
Okay. Do you know where I have a secret from Asher?
What?
I just hear a okay, this is it. Do you know when we go home, it's raining in Porak, and Asher said, "Oh no, I think we're gonna be in flood." So there's a little water.
Yeah, that is kind of embarrassing. I have something to say about myself. That is very
What?
embarrassing. I really didn't want to tell this, but it's part of my secret.
Okay.
I I fart all the time. I fart when no one's around.
We're the same.
When I sometimes I want to fart in class, I will just go down to my chair. I was like, then I will just then I will force my butt to go in the chair so no one will smell it. Then and no one will hear it, and it works. So if you want to fart in class, do that. I'm too shy to tell my teacher because they always say ew.
Yeah, sometimes. Do you know sometimes they say something if somebody fart in our class, but I didn't ever fart yet. So this is mine. This is not mine. Mine. Okay. This is not really embarrassing for me, but do you know when I drink water and I almost spill my water because I cannot stop laughing from my classmate. He's making funny. He looks funny. He's a boy. He looks funny. Do you know why? Cause no, minsan lang yun halos kakahapon. Siguro mga Thursday, August 24. That's your birthday. So, I'm so thirsty. I wanna drink water. I drink water and I see the boy. He did like this. And then I said, I really wanna spill the water, but and then I said I do like this. So I almost spilled the water, but I tried to drink it, so it works. Try that one. If you wanna spill the water, it's like this, and then it's not gonna spill.
Okay.
It was funny. Your turn.
Okay, so no, so that's the end of our secrets for this. So if you want, let's play extra school party.
I don't wanna spill. I don't wanna. Can we just talk? I don't wanna play school party craft anymore.
Yes, you hate school party craft?
Now, what about you play school party craft and I'll try to play PKXD.
Why don't we try to be friends in PKXD?
That's
Okay,
right.
so what, how do you download it? What do you search? What is the name?
Right? Right? Say PKXD.
PKXD. Okay, let's see if that works. I'll go to
Okay.
Play
Tell
Store.
me. This is so fun. Trust me. I
Wait,
hope you like it, Asher. Wait. I already find it. So this one, as you can see, it's a pet. It says end in 6 days. Get ready for the new pet. Wow.
okay.
So did you find it? It said PKXD Fun
Wait, let
Fun
me go
Friends
to
Games.
Play Store.
Not yet there.
Not yet. PKXD.
But Asher, is it okay if we didn't meet? Because I really wanna try to play PKXD with you. My first time playing
Is this
PKXD
the
with you.
one? Wait, I'll show it to you. Here, okay?
Okay,
I'll send
picture
a,
it.
picture it. So this is part of
Okay,
my
I'm already downloading it. Okay.
wait,
Did you send it already, Asher?
no, here. Is that the one?
Where? Did you send it? Okay.
Yeah, I sent it.
Okay, wait. Okay. Wait, it's not yet. Okay, there. So wait, it's loading. That one, on the top.
Yeah, the
That
friends
one,
and
yeah.
the friends and games.
Yeah,
Okay,
that one.
okay, I'll
Download that one.
Okay, wait.
Yay! My first time playing with you finally at PKXD.
Yay.
Promise. It's up to you if you wanna be a boy or a girl.
So I
Or you can
so
do a haircut. So and
yeah,
you can also earn coins.
yeah. So I
If
have
you wanna do haircut for boys.
so Ate Kara, I have five apps. So if I download PKXD, I will have 6 apps.
Okay.
So it's okay. My mom said only until 6 apps. So after this, I can't download anything anymore.
Okay. Just deleted it if you're really not interested.
Sabi, ate, patawad na lang kasi kasi nagko-call kami. Dito.
So eh,
Okay, Ate
that
Kara,
was the best video ever.
once the 30 minutes end, we have to end the call, okay?
Okay. I think this is not gonna reach up.
81%, 84%, na 87%,
Okay, what's this?
91%, 92%, 95%, 100%. Installing.
Down.
It's installing.
Wait. 46%, 50%, 54%, 60%, 62, 64, 66,
Okay, I can play it now.
69, 71. Wait, 73%, 75%, 77%, 80%, 82%. Okay, that's it. Wala, palit tayo. Palit tayo. Asher, ito na nga lang. Sige na. Okay, wait, Asher, wait. 93%, 94%, 95%, 97%. Yes, 100%. Downloading. Installing pala. Asher, what, mga ilang minutes na?
Wait.
Asher, you have to end the call and I will call back, okay? I will call you
Yes.
to play, PKX. Sir. Okay?
Wait, okay. Okay. I'm Okay, Ate Kiara, I'm gonna spend all my time with you. Cause I can only do a tablet until 10. When it's 11, I'm not allowed to do tablet anymore. Hello? Hey, Ate Kiara! Hello? Here we go again, guys. We really...
There.
Hey, Ate Kiara, let's see if we can be friends. It's loading.
Yeah. Let's see. PKXD, I have it right here. I'm so beautiful at PKXD. Super beautiful. I found the perfect hair on my head. Decorate yourself. You already decorate yourself. Choose your character.
Yeah, wait,
Or
it's
you-
loading. Why
Yeah,
does it take long?
it's a bit taking long, but not that all.
Yeah, I'm gonna, you know.
Mga, malapit na ba?
Opo.
Okay.
Okay, PK.
Oh, still after verse.
Oh my gosh, it takes so long.
Yeah. But if you played already so long, it's just gonna take a short. Like me, I already played this so long time. Have you ever played? I have a question. Have you ever played PKXD, or it's your first time playing PKXD?
First time.
Okay, play.
Okay, yay! Agree and continue.
Yeah, agree and continue.
Yay, I can change my character.
It's your character. You sound like my classmate. You sound like my classmate. Okay, there, yay! Asher,
Yeah?
can you still hear me?
Yes, I can still hear you. I'm just changing my avatar. I'll put some glasses on because I wear glasses. Okay, I'm done with my avatar. I'll picture it so I could send it to you later.
Asher, wait. Stop.
Yeah.
But kasi yung isa kasi hindi kita maintindihan sa cellphone.